I'm going to show you how to reset this service engine soon light on your Infiniti. This is G37X. You see right there where that light is on. I saw many videos there on YouTube. Push and hold this in 3 seconds or 10 seconds. It didn't work for me. I even called Infiniti 4 different locations around Houston area, and they say you can't do it. You need to bring it in, and they charge you $189 to run a diagnostics and whatever repairs. But this have happened to me 3 times. It usually happens maybe every 50,000 miles. But only thing I did was take the negative battery terminal off. This is a 10 millimeters screw right here. You just take it off for about 30 seconds. And like I said, I've done this 3 times. Seems like it happens every 50,000 miles. If you've seen the mileage on my car, it's about 153,000 miles. So it just happened again today. So, and once after 30 seconds, you put that terminal, negative terminal back on, cover your battery up, and that's it. And turn this thing on. And like I said, the last time I did this was probably about 1.5 years, 2 years. And it just come on again. And once you start it up, that service engine soon light is off. And like I said, if you want to do it and take it to Infiniti, they're going to charge you $189 to do the diagnostics. And then I'm pretty sure they're going to find about $1,000, maybe $2,000 worth of repairs that you're going to need. But it's just time to service the engine. And if you want to turn that off, that's all you have to do. Just disconnect the negative terminal. It worked for me, and I hope it worked for you. Subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.